Here we are looking at the cocoa, the bean pod. This is the whole bean pod from Pingdong in Kaohsiung, near Kaohsiung in Taiwan. This is what it looks like when it's cut open. The brown things are the seeds, the cocoa seeds, and around it is the pulp, which you can eat. And if you look closely, it's like that after the pulp is gone. And this is the other half of the empty the pod. So during this season, between May and June, you get these pods. You can try the seeds, the pulp around the seeds, which taste a bit like mango or lychee or some other fruit, but there's not too much pulp around there. And the seeds can be roasted and made into coffee. But this is something that's grows particularly well in Pingdong, and it's replacing a traditional crop, the binglang or betel nut, which is not healthy.
Today I'm on the local regional train, the TRA, the Taiwan regional train, and I'm showing you a map of the city network in Kaohsiung City, which is underground now. So I'm at the museum station, the Science and Technology Museum, and there's many stations as you can see on the map, but today we're going toward Pingdong. And as you can see, this pretty new station, underground. It's pretty close to a metro station or a subway station, but it runs as a train. On the weekends there's service about every 20 or 30 minutes on the local stations. The bigger stations have frequent service. And during the weekdays, Monday to Friday at peak times, there's service every 10 minutes or so. So we'll watch the train arriving in the station. It's coming here in about a minute or so. So watch this, and then we'll have our follow-up on our trip.
So we'll go to the coffee shop. As you see around the town, there's fruit vendors selling berries, dates, palm products, and coffee bean products, and chocolate. So if you want to try fresh chocolate cocoa, you could come here. So I'm leaving Zutian station, and train is arriving. It's coming in the tracks from the south up to the north. So as you can see, blue sky day. It's very warm outside, but the sky is very, very clear. Looks like you can see 50 kilometers, 30 miles. You probably could, if you were high enough, could see up to Kaohsiung. But here we are. The train is arriving.